guys, remember we have a Spring Pep Rally Assembly this Thursday. Be there to support your Rose Festival nominees and show your tech pride.
I believe to be Rose Festival Princess, you have to be a good leader, a good representation of your school, and overall a good human being. Because Rose Festival is all about giving back to your community and being that leader that your school wants to see.
I think I'll be a great Rose Festival Princess because I have, different background in religion, so it's like really nice to see, to show other students you can do it, no matter your color or your religion, you can be something you want to be. And a lot of time, immigrant students, people, underestimate them because of the language barrier. But here I am doing it, I've been here only 6 years and I'm running for the Rose Festival and I have the same opportunity as everyone,
Well, growing up, I was always told that princesses are skinny, or you'd look at Disney and there's all these girls who didn't look like me, or I just didn't relate to them. So growing up, I saw that my sister was winning, and my sister, she was skinnier as well. So I wanted to show that being a princess, you don't have to have a set size, that you don't have to look like royalty to be a royalty.
I feel like being part of the Rose Festival, or being a Rose Festival Princess, is very important because you are a role model for younger women around you and for the next generation. One of my main things I love doing is making people smile and making sure everyone around me is happy. I love volunteering in my community, and I'm gonna keep volunteering and keep making sure everyone around me is happy.
It's the 98th annual Benson Tech Show, and our hope is to get people to come and see what Benson Tech is all about with the shop classes, the CTE classes, and all the things that students build and create at Benson High School. I can't wait for the 100th. That whole that mark of 100 years is going to be very special, and I'm pretty sure the kids that will be a part of it will feel the same special feeling. And every year it's really big. It starts all the way from the freshman level all the way through the seniors, and the showcasing of student work. We're just so excited to see what the students have been able to come up with all the new technology.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Benson Tech News Rapid Fire Sports Update, where I, Gabe Ginsberg, and your co-host Sam Cittadini will tell you all about your favorite school sports.
The winter season's coming to a close, spring season's coming up. Let's see what's happening.
Congratulations to the girls basketball team for making it to the Elite Eight in the state finals. They haven't done this good in 25 years.
Baseball, softball, track, and tennis are starting up again and are looking for players. Talk to Athletic Director Scott Archer if you're all interested in playing.
That's all we have for this Rapid Fire Sports Update.
Thanks for watching.
Spring Fling is on March 23rd from 7 to 10 p.m. For one person, it's $10. For a duo or a date, it's $18. And for a squad of 5, it's $40. Outside guests are allowed, and there's permission slips for them in the office that are due on March 21st. See you guys there.